Did you know that the Pampered Chef website is for so much more than just shopping? Yeah, it's loaded with recipes, blog posts, and even live cooking shows. Go ahead and navigate to my website, and I'm going to walk you through getting the most from our website without spending a penny. Make sure you see me in the top corner. That means you're in the right place. We're going to start with recipes. Just hit that recipes tab. It's going to give you this lovely page with so many different ideas and ways to search, including the search bar. Go ahead and find a recipe and drop it in the comments below so I know what you like. Next, we're going to move on to blog. Can you guess what this one is? Yeah, it's our blog. There's so many different fun articles and different recipes and meal ideas. Go ahead and try it out. And finally, we have the live events. Every Tuesday, someone goes live on the Pampered Chef website. You have to register for these events, but there are usually giveaways. So, did you learn anything new?